Hi, my name is Rachel with Twist Your Stitch. This is not your grandma's knitting class. Today we are going to learn how to do a slip knot and how to do an easy thumb cast on. Are you ready? Let's get started. First step is to get a slip knot on one of your needles. To make a slip knot, I'm going to show you how in easy steps. So the first thing I like to do is put it out on the table so I can see my tail yarn and the yarn that's attached to the ball. You're going to make a loop on the table, just like this. You're going to take the circle or the loop and lay it over the tail of the yarn so it looks kind of like a pretzel. You're going to grab the center, pull the tails of the yarn, and you've got a slip knot. And what that means is when you pull on it, the knot doesn't stay, it comes right out. So let's do it one more time. Here's my tail. Here's the side that's attached to the ball of yarn. Make a loop, lay the loop down on the tail so it looks like a pretzel, pull the center through, and you've got your slip knot. Okay, to cast on, I'm going to leave a little bit longer of a tail because we're going to cast on a couple stitches. So again, let's do our loop, lay the loop down onto the tail so it's in the center. There's my pretzel. I'm going to pull the center, and I've got my first loop. So my loop is adjustable just by pulling on the leg of it, and I'm going to put it on one of my needles and tighten it just a little bit. So it's like that, so it's loose. Okay, so now we're going to cast on. So you're going to take the side that is attached to the ball, you're going to take your thumb, and you're going to loop your thumb around just like that. Okay, with your other hand, you're going to hold the tail off to the side. And I like to put my index finger, my pointer finger, through to hold it that way against the needle. So it should look like this. Next step is to scoop up your thumb. Then we're going to take this side and we're going to wrap it around. Then my needle is going to come back through the loop off my thumb. And we're going to pull the yarn, and I've got 2 stitches on. Over my thumb, over my pointer finger. Scoop the yarn, wrap the pointer finger, then the tip of the needle goes back through the loop and off. And tighten it. Now I don't want to tighten it too much so I can't move the stitches up and down, because remember we got to stick another needle through those loops. I don't want them so loose that I see air through there. I just want it so I can move it easy on my needle. So I have 3 stitches on. We're going to keep going here. So around my pointer, around my thumb, scoop, wrap, through the loop, and tighten. Scoop, wrap, through the loop, and tighten. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches on. Let's do 2 more. Ready? Scoop, wrap, through the loop, and tighten. Scoop, wrap, through the loop, and tighten. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stitches are on. Now you may find that you run out of tail, and that's this right here. So if I needed to cast on more stitches, I would need a longer tail to keep going. But keep practicing. Take these off, do your slip knot again, and then cast on your stitches. Hope this helps.